About 4 years ago, somebody calls me and he told me, I have something, if you can translate it from Yiddish. I was thinking, he gives me a little card or a letter. He comes with a huge page from the newspaper with a poem from Chaim Grade. And the poem in Yiddish is Amuda Eish, was es geblieben brennen, noch mal reben. That means the pillar of faith that remained burning after that. I count the words, 1,200 words. But once I promised him, and why he wanted to translate it? Because somebody in his family is dying. And he was a relative from Chazon Ish. This is a poem about Chazon Ish. And he cannot read anymore Yiddish. So, but once I went into this is not the Yiddish I spoke in the village. This is high-level Yiddish, you know. Oh, I worked so much. I edited and I did revisions until that. And then I was in the institute there. I go sometimes have lectures. And came this guy, what is his name? Benjamin Sachs. He's a Jewish scholar there, a young man. I gave him the poem to read. He liked so much the poem. He says, we are going to put it on the internet, this poem. It was amazing. I really worked hard. It's not so much my talent. But then, this is where I came back to Yiddish. When I worked so much on this poem, came to me the memories of Yiddish from my childhood. You know, it came these memories. And I feel the closeness. So maybe the translation came out good because I have the Yiddishkeit. Not so much the knowledge. I have the spirit of, you see. He liked it so much that he really, and even there are Christians. In the beginning I said, no, I'm not ready, I have to look it over again, the poem. And the woman there, not Jews, she says, why you don't want to give us the poem? Because I read it already in English, you know. So it seems to me it must be okay for us. But this why now I'm a lot more attached to Yiddish. Because at the beginning, for so many years, I did not speak. I could not, when I read the poems, it did not go so deep, you know, but when you have all this charge from before, like this charge helps it to wake up more associations and more understanding. And also I bought the most advanced Yiddish dictionary now in your center.